Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, April the 15th, 2020. We have not only one Sudoku, not two Sudokus, but three Sudokus, a medium Sudoku, a binary Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But we will start first with the regular binary Sudokus. So today, three regular Sudokus. In this newspaper, during the corona crisis, there are six or five puzzles extra as a bonus in additional of this newspaper. So I will do that later, but first I will finish the regular puzzles every day. So let's get started. All right. I see here a double one, here and O, there and O. A lot of O's. So between an O, here and 1. Between an O comes always a 1. Here an O, between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Here also between two O's comes an 1. 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 And then we have a double 1 here and O, there and O. Here also a double O, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Then I cannot continue. Yes, here between two 1's comes an O. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5 O's and 5 1's in a column or in a row. So I need to wait. Here a double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the O here, number 5, the fifth one, then I have here 4 1's in a row. So that is not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O here, then I still have 3 1's in a row. So this cannot be a 1, an O. This should be a 1. Between two 1's comes an O. So now I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So this is number 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the number, the fifth O here, then we have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Then between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s. If I, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the column. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the O here, then we have 3 1s in a row, so not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the rest are 1s. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the O here, the fifth one, then we have 3 1s in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1, an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O here, I still have 3 1s in a row. So not allowed, so this should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O, between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 4 1s in a row. So that is not allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. So this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the rest are O's. So this is finished in 8 minutes. Alright, for a binary Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file if you want to make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I see you in a minute with the Sudoku Medium. Bye bye for now.